open doors. Keys 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 open doors. Keep it going, keep it going, come on.
Okay, so welcome to this video. We want to talk about the basic components that you need for your robotics training, your robotics project. So what are the components that we need? So I'll show you all the components that are essential in your projects. You can always order these components from us anytime. So you can just give me a list of what you want and I will deliver these to you. If you don't know which components to use in your project, I can also help you select the right components. If you don't know how to do robotics, electronics, we have a course available for you which is very affordable and can be done by anyone, from your Form 1s or even primary school all the way up to A level. Okay, so let's go into the video. So the first thing that you need are your microcontrollers. You need microcontrollers. So the first one, of course, the most popular one is the Arduino-Uno. So you need this microcontroller. So we have it available. If you need it, you can just order and we can deliver a lot of these for you. We have the Arduino Nano, which is also available. If you want something which is smaller and can save you space in your project, you can order for this one. There are even smaller microcontrollers. Some need extra modules for you to be able to program them, as you can see on the screen there. So this will be the extra module that you need. You can see that one, that's a circular microcontroller there. So there are many shapes and sizes of microcontrollers which we can deliver to you. Let's look at the next component that you need. So if you don't want to use the actual Arduino Uno, you can order the ATmega328 IC and solder it onto your project and connect it onto your breadboard, and you can also program it. So we'll teach you how to do that. You can use the actual ICs to save space, to design the project however you want. So this is another option. There's also the Arduino Mega, which is available. This one is more upgraded. So if you need this one, you can also order, we can deliver. So you can see there are so many microcontrollers there for you to choose from. So let's look at the next component, which is important. It's also important here for you to know that there are tiny operational amplifiers that you can see that can also work as your microcontroller and can also be programmed using the same Arduino IDE. So if you need those, you can also order. You can also order components that can be used to test these operational amplifiers, which you can use as microcontrollers. So there's a lot you can order, there's a lot you can do in the world of microcontrollers. Okay, let's move on to something which is also very important. Let's look at modules, buttons, and some basic components that you do. If you require us to control something using sound, you can use microphone modules that are available. You can also send and receive audio via Bluetooth using that module that's showing on your screen. So there are a lot of components that you can make use of and order from us. Let's go. You can use actuators, several actuators that are available that can, if you want to open or close a door, open or close a bin, whatever you want to do, you can order several actuators, magnetic actuators. Okay, so it's important that you are aware of these actuators. So there are several types that you can manipulate, such as the ones that are showing on your screen. Okay, let's move on to something else. You also need several switches. So there are so many types of switches that you can order depending on your project. Push buttons that you can order and also make use of in your projects. Okay, let's look at something else that you would need. So that's another example of a potentiometer showing there. Connecting wires that you can also order and make use of. Let's look at something else. So another important component is power. So you need a source of power in your projects. So there are several types of batteries, rechargeable batteries that you can order. You can create your own battery by combining several smaller batteries. You can order power supplies. There are several of them delivering various amounts of current and voltage. So you need a power supply or several power supplies in your project. So there are several types depending on what you would like to power. Some of them can be connected directly to your AC, to your 250 volts AC, and deliver for you your 5 volts, your 12 volts, and some of them are even variable so that you can control the output power that you would require. So you definitely would need one of these. You can also order chargers, modules that can charge for you these batteries via USB. So these are some of important components in your project. If you would like to charge the batteries, especially if they are rechargeable, then you would need these battery chargers. We also have voltage indicators that are important. So if you want to monitor the voltage of your batteries, if your batteries are charged or not, you can use voltage indicators. So these are very nice modules that you can also order and include in your project. Your voltage indicators, some are digital, as you can see there. So these are very important to show you whether your battery is fully charged or your battery is low. We have our controllers, drivers, and relay modules, components that I thought I should share with you. Of course, in addition to your resistors, your capacitors, your LED lights, and several other components that I may have skipped in this video. But like I said, you can always order this from us. You can call us for your training. We are available, very much mobile. If you're in Zimbabwe, we can come and train you. So I'll see you in the next video where we continue to share some of these components, and I'll be doing some demonstrations on how to connect them, how to make use of them. So see you in the next video. Enjoy yourself.